4th of July. Everything about it. The barbecues,
Patriotism,
the grass,
the history,
the girls,
and especially the fireworks! Yeah!
Woo!
Woo!
Yeah! Let's watch. Where are the fireworks?
They should have started by now.
There's only one explanation for no fireworks.
LeBron James! Oh, I mean Apocalypse! Ah! Ah! Ah, we're all gonna die! Get a hold of yourself! You're going crazy! We have to get to the van to drive away!
Okay.
Ah! Get in, I'll drive!
Get in there!
Get in the van! Hurry! It's not starting! The car's not moving! I don't know what's wrong!
We're gonna die! Start the car!
Man, those idiots did this last year. I remember I tried to throw a football at them.
Start the van!
Tough times. Alright, let's get you guys out of here. You guys do realize that the fireworks show doesn't start before 10? And you guys also realize that July 4th is like a week away?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, why isn't our van starting?
Yeah!
I don't know what I should tell you first. You're out of gas, you're out of oil, or the fact that it's a little kid's tent!
Oh, that explains why I only got it for 20 bucks. Jeez. And that it hasn't run since I got it. I filled it up like 4 times.
You wasted 20 bucks on this piece of crap?
No, I wasted like $400 on gas.
What?
Happy 4th of July from NOOO!